Hi, I am Gary. Today, I'm going to present on our project titled Can COVID-19 Pandemic Influence Experience Response in Mobile Learning? This project is co-authored with Yuan Ping Yuan, myself, King Boon Uy, Wei Li Lim, and Eugene Cheng Si Ao. We are from UCSI Graduate Business School, UCSI University. This is the table of contents. It covers our background, research framework, methodology, main findings, and research implication. Now, during the COVID-19 pandemic, it restricts the feasibility of face-to-face classes, threatening the traditional educational paradigm and the accessibility of quality of education. So many educational institutions have to operate mobile-based remote learning courses to sustain teaching activities and to ensure students equitable access to quality of education. However, academicians have yet to fully understand the factors and mechanisms that determine the students' learning experience feedback. So our study here explore the attributes and mechanism that drive learners' experience respond to mobile learning programs during this COVID-19 pandemic. So in literature review on the studies of mobile learning adoption, traditionally primary research interests on mobile learning studies are usually directed on the integration of mobile technology and course content, and they can actually be further divided into three different categories, namely preference for using mobile devices versus desktop devices, the integration of mobile learning and contextual environments, and also on the studies on mobile learning communication, information sharing, and the pedagogy. Now, in terms of theories, yeah, so this project here adopts the theory from mobile technology acceptance model. So this theory is proposed by Wu Yan Tan in 2016, where the theory actually focus from the mobile perspective. So this study adopted MTEM, Mobile Technology Acceptance Model, and been extended with pedagogical and technological antecedents to understand student mobile learning experience and responses. So this is the proposed research framework for this study. So you can see the pedagogical factor, we have learning content quality, we have interactivity. On the technological factor, we have user interface, we have connectivity. Okay, and in mobile technology acceptance model, we have two exogenous construct, which is mobile usefulness and mobile ease of use. And our final dependent variable is experience response. Okay, so all the relationship in this study between the exo and the endo has positive relationship. All right, so we have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, in terms of our research instrument, the questionnaire consists of questions that cover all variables, okay, in this study, which is about 28 measurement items. The questionnaire is built into QR code, all right, so respondents is able to respond to their phone devices. And in our study, we received about 627 effective responses, okay, collected from students during this pandemic period. Now, in terms of our analysis, this study adopts the partial least square structure equation modeling through Smart PLS version 3.29. So this study is suitable in terms of using PLS SAM because it focuses on theory building. So in our data analysis, first we focus on common method variance, and then after that we mention about the outer measurement model and the inner measurement model. Now, in terms of our results, the study in terms of H1 is supported, H2, H3, H4 is supported. H5, INT will positively affect the user's MU is rejected. Similarly, H6 is rejected as well. All right, so in other words, out of the 10 proposed hypotheses, only two hypotheses are being rejected. So in terms of findings, yeah. So students' mobile learning experience are positively influenced by the perception of mobile learning, usefulness, and easiness. In terms of the pedagogical factors, the content quality of learning materials has significant positive effects on the student perceived mobile learning usefulness and easiness. However, the interactivity of the online courses does not play any role in students' evaluation. In terms of technological factors, the user interface and connectivity of the device have significant positive effect in determining user perception of mobile learning usefulness and easiness. In terms of our contribution of our project, in terms of theoretical contribution. So this study validates mobile technology acceptance model from mobile learning perspective. The research also integrates the pedagogical and technological factors with technology acceptance theory from the viewpoint of the pandemic. This study also discussed the feasibility of using mobile learning courses in achieving education inclusion and the equality of students' learning rights and integrated theoretical perspective. From our practical contribution, helping mobile learning designers and course instructors to improve system design and teaching contents. And the study also can help the policymaker to evaluate the effectiveness of mobile learning policies in COVID-19 context. And also this study also helps to inspire educators and mobile learning operators to deliver quality learning opportunities for all students without being hindered by geographical location. Thank you very much for your attention. So this is the references for our project. Thank you very much.